Dear students, very good morning to everybody. Hope you are all fine. Today we are having our new chapter, Human Health and Diseases. Now, how we can define health? The term health is very frequently used by everybody. Health does not simply mean absence of disease or physical fitness. According to WHO, World Health Organization, health may be defined as a state of complete physical, mental, and social well being, and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. Health is affected by genetic disorders, infections, lifestyle. Genetic disorders are those disorders with which a child is born. Infections are of various types caused by different types of pathogens. Lifestyle, including food and water we take, rest and exercise we give to our bodies, habits that we have or lack, etc. Balanced diet, personal hygiene, and regular exercise are very important to maintain good health. Good health ensures efficient working, increasing productivity, and thus bringing economic prosperity. Good health also increases longevity of people, reduces infant and maternal mortality. Good health encourages happy and cheerful attitude. It makes living a joyful experience. Thus, good health is a condition for purposeful existence in this world. Now, disease. Disease is composed of two words, dis and ease. Dis means without and ease means comfort. That means without comfort or disturbed ease. So disease is a condition of disturbed functioning of the body or its spot or parts. Disease literally means being uncomfortable when the functioning of one or more organs or systems of the body is adversely affected, characterized by various signs and symptoms. We have a disease. Disease can be broadly classified into two categories. Number A, congenital diseases, and number B, acquired diseases. Now, what are congenital diseases? These are the diseases which occur since birth and may result from metabolic disorders or defect in development. Acquired diseases are the diseases which develop or occur after birth and can be divided into two main categories. Number one, infectious or communicable disease, and number two, non infectious or non communicable diseases. Now, infectious or communicable diseases, diseases which are easily transmitted from an infected person to a healthy person. Infectious diseases are very common and some of them, like AIDS, are fatal. Non infectious diseases are non communicable diseases. These are the diseases which are not caused by any infectious agent and do not separate from one person to another. For example, cancer. Now, what is pathogen? A wide range of organisms could cause disease in man. Such disease causing organisms are called pathogens. For example, bacteria, fungi, protozoans, etc. Thanks for today's class.